Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service and your KSC bidding consultant and owner of the KSC building. So I'm in the storage unit again. I gotta set up a new account. So I need to take everything that's going to be needed for a new account. And then I need to take some supplies to an employee to another site. And I gotta set up my caddies for the apartment cleans. And these are caddies. Like I gotta set one up for the new account. So I gotta open up stuff. No, it's all here. Yeah, so I'm doing that. I gotta have a meeting about the apartment cleans with the team before we go there because this is gonna be different. And they got instructions and I got instructions that need to be followed. And remember I told y'all about these 3-ounce pours really save. See, I got one on here, but I couldn't find the lid. But they really save on them wasting chemicals, because if you don't measure enough, you ain't killing no germs, and if you use too much, you could damage the surface. So, I need 3 total. Yeah, so I need a box of gloves just in case. I'm gonna put a roll of trash bags in there, big and small. It's supposed to follow me, but it ain't following me that well. What else? What am I missing? A spray bottle. I think I had this one. Alright, so this is a completed caddy. Window cleaner, spray bottle, gloves, toilet bowl cleaner, large, small bags, measure. I just need a toilet brush now. Got one. So this is complete. I need for them to take a broom and a dustpan, mop stick. Alright, I need mop head and towels. This here box here, I get these notifications when Michael's got t-shirts on sale. I got a total of 72 t-shirts. What I pay? I forgot. But it was cheap. Because they sell them by 12 in bulks of 12. So I got 2, 4, I got 6. I forgot large. I thought I ordered large, but yeah, so I got 2 extra large and mediums. I got all these t-shirts, and I got some of them I took to the print already. Yeah, I think it's like $35 for 12 t-shirts, something like that. Cheap, super cheap. And then I take them because I can't wait for printers, so I take them to the custom print, and they print them. They'll be ready. They said give them 3 days. So tomorrow, Saturday at the latest, they should be ready. All right. I need to take him my beds. All right, let me make the bag for my employee. Oh, let me use one of these. I love these Giant Eagle bags. I got them all over the place. All right, so I need towels for the new account. I need another detergent too. I want to use the same kind, so I'm going to condense this. Yeah, so getting ready for this, and then get ready for that school. Only thing about the school, I don't have to supply the chemicals and stuff. They supply it. All I gotta do is bring the labor. But I am gonna take my Kovac machine for them cement floors. Oh yeah, I was gonna take them some. Wait, I wrote me a note. Let me check my note. Just so I don't forget. Yeah, I just need the towels. This is for him. Where's that bag at? Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, y'all. I done got focused. I forgot y'all was there. That's what's going on. That's why I've been so busy. All I could do is just really record what I'm doing because I haven't had the time to just like sit down at my desk and, I don't know, teach something. Yeah, I've really been busy. So I figure I'd just show my journey and my frustrations, my wins, and my losers. I lost another client. Like, really close client. I've had him for years. I did, thank him for, letting us be in partnership and stuff. And I also asked if they could let me know, like, where we dropped the ball so I can learn from it. I haven't gotten a reply yet, but yeah, so I lost an account. And it's funny because it seemed I lose an account. Wait, what happened? It's like I lose an account. Well, I'll get a new account and then I'll lose the old one. I get a new account, lose the old one. It's like, I mean, not that they're worse than the ones I lose, but I want to grow, so I don't want to lose none. And I really want to learn from what made me lose it. So that's why I be on here doing these videos. Because this is the life of a cleaning business owner. Okay, I need toilet bowl cleaner for him. That's right. He got 2 construction trailers, and this is where you at? Where I put you at? Oh, yeah. He has 2 construction trailers. It's a 5-year contract, and I think this is going into year 2. Yeah, it's going into year 2. Well, let me give him some bags too, just in case. I'm putting this in a caddy. I don't like putting these chemicals in my car unprotected, especially toilet bowl cleaner. I had some acid cleaner leak one time. Oh my God, it was terrible. In the back of my van. What else I say? You need toilet bowl cleaner. Got the detergent. Give him a new spray bottle just in case. The trailers are right next to each other, so he just have to go out one trailer and walk across the lot to the other one. And I try to make sure that each trailer has its own stuff. Like when I give him something, I give him 2, 1 for each trailer. So I want him to be efficient. Yeah. Speaking of which, I need to take another pack of gloves. Yeah, so that's how I set them up. And I took him some more mop heads and some towels. He didn't put that in the supply list, but I know he needed. All right, let me make sure I ain't forgetting nothing for the new account. I put that ad out for the school. Last I looked this morning was 19 interviews. And all through the day I've been seeing hits. I don't know how my VA's responding, but I'm gonna do group interview because I only need maybe like 3 or 4 people at the school. And after today, I probably only really need 3. And then, but 3 strong people. And then, but I got other stuff. And I seen a lot of them was Pittsburgh. Because I'm not sending nobody from Pittsburgh there. They have to live in the area, know the area, know how to maneuver the area in the wintertime. Yeah. Because I don't want no issues come wintertime. And then I got to make one of them, whoever's strong, make them a lead so I can hold somebody accountable when I'm not there. I'm going to be there till they're trained and comfortable, and I make sure they have everything they need and everything, learn the building. But other than that, I don't want to have to go up there all like that. Yep. Because after going back there today, because you know, you do a walkthrough at first, and then he had showed me all these, I think it was like 5 buildings. And in essence, it's only really 2, well 3 out of them 5. So, and they're not as big as I remembered before. So, yep. All right, I'm out of here because I've been doing stuff every day. I just feel like I'm forgetting something. Let me see. Let me send him some glass cleaner. he didn't put that on there, so I'm just sitting on one to be a backup. Alright, so I got everything I need. Let me show y'all stuff. I'm going to put this box back up. But it's still, I can walk in there safely at least. But before, it was dangerous for me to come in here. And then I didn't know where nothing was at. I still got to clean out these tables here. But my son, he didn't have the patience for me to do all that. So I got to come back on my own time. I still got to bring the power stuff in here. We're doing a clean out this weekend of a client who got a new building. I already started that account. So I got to bring that equipment and buckets and stuff in here. All right, y'all. It's getting close to the weekend. I thought we were starting those turns on the weekend. I'm grateful. Now we're not till Monday. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to go home and chill now that I got everything I needed to do to get them started. Talk to y'all later.